a ripe banana right into your favorite ear.
Right.
Sean the non-believer. Sean.
Yeah.
I am happy, la la la. Get back in here and love me! Ah!
He's just being melodramatic. You've got to ignore it if you really want to help him.
Happy, ha ha ha. Charlie, you look quite down with your big fat eyes and your big fat frown. The world doesn't have to be so gray. Charlie, when your life's a mess, when you're feeling blue, always in distress, I know I can wash that sad away. All you have to do is put a banana in your ear.
A banana in my ear?
I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I...
1, 2, great big pink balls. I like to bounce them, roll them, hold them. Sometimes I can't control them, my 2 big pink balls.
I want chicken, I want liver. Meow mix, please deliver. My nipples explode with the knife.
Here we go.
We can last a lot longer if we bask in the moonlight. I traveled a full month once when I did that.
Baked beans. They're nature's way of saying, for God's sake, open a window.
Once it does, the night draws closer.